things that is on my heart is really the concept of becoming unforgettable. And especially as a freelance photographer, content creator, and creative in general. None of us want to be forgotten. We want to be memorable. We want to have a lasting impression in people. And that's basically what becoming unforgettable is that you or something has made a lasting impression on someone. And so as a freelance creative, I think it's so important that we become this unforgettable, irreplaceable being. First of all, there's no one like you. You are your own person. You have your own set of fingerprints, and God made you you. And so on this journey, I've humbly learned on some things that can make you very memorable, especially as a freelancer. And the number one thing I would say is be professional. When you are professional, you are going to stand out, and people are going to want to come back to somebody that is efficient and proficient in what they do. So make sure you have clear communication through your emails, through your calls. You are branded in a nice way. You have your own logo. You have a website where people have your clear information where they can go to if you're not available directly. You have your contract. You have your editing style. You have your own personality. All these things that wrap into a great professional look really is going to keep you in business and keep people referring you to others. And when you're professional, you are really taking yourself seriously, and you're telling others that, hey, I am not something to play with. I am something genuine, I am something real, and I am something classy, something great. And then that leans into the second most important point on becoming unforgettable is your customer service. I like to say, think of people as kings and queens. When they are kings and queens, they get the top tier service. People around them want to make sure that they feel valued and that they are important because of who they are. And so when you are working with people within your business as a creative or whatever, you just want to make sure that they feel important and that they feel valued. If they don't feel those two things, they're not going to come back. And so I pride myself on making sure people feel valued in just the little things, like remembering their name, remembering what they had said on a photo shoot about their daughter or about their husband or about their college experience, and bringing that back up in follow-up emails or bringing that back up when there's another photo shoot. It matters. I always like to think about it when it comes to Chick-fil-A. Chick-fil-A may not be the best, the number one place for food. Their food is good, but a lot of people come there because of their customer service. The way they treat people in those lines is top tier. And you want to come back because you're treated well. Because when you give out positivity, manners, politeness, you're going to get it back. It may not be from every single person, but you're going to get it back. I really like to hone in on this part because it really is activating your empathy skill or your empathy muscle. When you're empathetic, you're literally putting yourself in someone else's shoes and experiencing life through their eyes, or at least trying to. And when you do that, then you're able to really see not just the small picture, but the big picture of what you're doing as a creative or a freelancer. You're helping someone achieve a goal. You're helping someone create something that they weren't able to do. And the third most important part about being unforgettable, especially as a freelancer, is to be authentically you. There is no one like you on this earth. They can try to be like you, but they'll be a fake version of you. And so when you're doing this work and you're bringing it to people, your clients, you want to allow your personality to shine and allow it to be real. When you're in front of these people, make sure you're talking to them. Make sure that they know and get a sense of who you are. Whether you have an accent, or you like the color blue and you're wearing it and you're telling them about it, or you have your hair a certain way and it's showing who you are. Do that. Don't diminish who you are, because people are going to buy you before they buy your product or what you're selling to them. And I've seen that work for me in so many times in my life. At the end of the day, what you're doing is helping someone else, and that alone makes you unforgettable. But these are just some things that I have learned along the way that I feel like can really make you stand out and be memorable. But thank you guys, and until next time, I'll see you soon.